Well, children, yesterday I sent you the question answers of the story The Bond of Love. I hope you have read. Don't write all of them. There were 20 short questions sent to you. Write only 5 out of these. Text, other than the textual questions which we have discussed earlier, you have to write 5 from this list of 20 questions. Other questions are only for reading. Today we will start the poem The Snake Triumph. Today I will only tell you some main points, theme of the poem, and I'll give you time for reading it on your own, and tomorrow we will discuss the poem line by line. The Snake Triumph, as the title is making it clear that the snake is trying to do something. Actually, snakes are thought to be very poisonous and very dangerous. That is why everybody wants to be away from them. And if a human being looks at a snake, he wants to kill that snake. But here the snake trying to do what? Actually, the snake of the poem is trying to escape a human being. This is a small snake, not poisonous at all, and just resting on the sands on the beach, and a human it was safe, and it was comfortable by the time a human being saw it, but as soon as a human being sees it, he feels that this snake can be poisonous and he can bite him. So he takes a stick and he tries to hit the snake with the stick. And this snake is frightened of that. It is running here and there in order to save itself from being hit by that stick, with that stick. And as the snake is moving, you will find some words which will show the poet's fascination towards the snake, that he finds the beautiful movements of the snake very fascinating. And he chooses green color for the description of the snake, perhaps to show that the snake is not dangerous at all. It is a part of nature only. Finally the snake enters the water, and it is of green color. It hides among the green plants. From there it is not visible, and it is safe also, away from human beings. So what have we seen? That humans have encroached this land, and they have compelled the snakes to live at some specific places, in the holes, in forests, or in water. Means they do not allow the snakes to move freely on the land because they are ill reputed. Human beings think that they are dangerous and they can bite and kill humans. So the poem seems to give us a message that all the animals and birds should be given equal space to live, to move on this earth. We should not be so selfish. We should be sharing this beautiful earth and nature with other species too. Anyway, read and enjoy the poem, and tomorrow we will do it line wise. Thank you.